Next is to play the game. Therefore, row choice should be hidden. Column arrange and label should be visible. Let's create a function for this. I drag the to do something code block in the function section like this. Let's give the name of the function as screen setup. Here I am typing screen setup. Now let's hide the row choice. I click on row choice and drag the set row choice visible to code block here. Click on this arrow and give false. Now similarly, we need to make column arrange and label visible. I right click on the set row choices visible to false code block and give duplicate. Now drag the duplicated code block down like this. Here click on the arrow in front of row choice and select column arrange. Then click on this arrow and select true. Good. Now as before, once again duplicate the set row choices visible to false code block. In this way, drag the duplicated code block below the set column arrange visible to true code block and change the name of the component to label turn. Also, since this label needs to be visible, click on this arrow and give true. Before starting the game, the text displayed as player 1 choice in label win MSG needs to be removed. So let's create the code for that right here. Click on label win MSG. Drag the set label win MSG's text to code block. Below set label turns visible to true code block. Since the text of the label needs to be empty, we remove the word label between these curly commas. Okay, we have now finished creating the function. But the function has not been called yet. We call this function when button O and button X are clicked. I drag the screen setup code block under functions into the when button O click code block. Again, let's drag a screen setup code block in functions into the when button X click code block. Good.